Good afternoon, my friends. Today I am telling about the disease malaria. Malaria is spread by Anopheles mosquito. It bites 5 a.m. and 9 p.m. So, the symptoms of malaria: headache, fever with chills, body pain, vomiting, diarrhea, abdomen pain, etc. So, we have to prevent. The prevention we have to take, that is, we have to sleep under mosquito net. We wear full sleeve trousers, full trousers, etc. Thank you very much, my lovely guys.